Hello friends, today we are making spicy rice with chicken drumsticks in a clay pot oven in the comfort of your own kitchen. Let's cook. I am using 1.3 pounds of chicken drumsticks. Peel the skin. Paper towel helps with the grip. Make gashes or cut into smaller pieces if you prefer. My children like smaller pieces, so I always cut it into small pieces. Transfer chicken pieces in a bowl and marinate it with one whole lime juice. To that, add 4 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi. You can also add Greek yogurt if you have Greek yogurt at home. To that, add 2 tablespoons of freshly ground garlic and ginger paste, 2 fistful of fried onions. You can fry it at home or you can also use store-bought fried onions. Make sure to crush the onions properly with your hands in between your fingers. In a separate bowl, prepare a spice blend with 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2-inch piece of cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 3 cloves, 4 to 5 green cardamom. Add the spice blend to the chicken, then add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. If you don't want mustard oil, you can also add any vegetable oil or even butter will work. To that, add 5 to 6 dried plums. If you don't have plums, you can add raisins. A little bit of sweetness adds a little flavor to otherwise spicy dish. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix everything with your hand. Tuck into bay leaves and gently massage all the pieces so that the pieces absorb all the flavors of the marinade. Let it rest for 20 minutes. The best flavor of this dish comes from cooking in a clay pot, but if you don't have a clay pot, you can also use a Dutch oven or any oven-safe utensil. This top and bottom clay pot gives the dish an earthy tandoor-like flavor. Soak the clay pot top and bottom in cold water for 20 minutes to prevent cracking. Wash and soak 3 cups of basmati rice for 20 minutes. Take 1 cup of whole milk, add 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 pinches of saffron strands. Heat up the milk and stir everything with a spoon. Set it aside. Take a paper towel and dry the clay pot. Rub a little butter inside, including the walls. This prevents the rice from sticking. In the soaked rice, mix a fistful of chopped cilantro, mint, salt, and red chili, and a little bit of butter. Now in the greased clay pot, layer rice, then chicken, then rice again. Repeat till it's all in. After layering rice and chicken, add the warm saffron milk. Along with that, add 4 cups of boiled water. Chicken will release some moisture too. Total liquid is 5 cups for 3 cups of rice. After adding all the liquid, give it a little shake. No need to stir with spatula, just shake it with your hands. After adding all the liquid, cover the clay pot completely, well sealed. Turn on the oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit. After setting the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, place the clay pot right inside the oven while it's still cold. Let the clay pot warm up gradually with the oven. Sudden heat can crack it and we don't want a rice disaster. Bake for 30 minutes at 350, then lower the heat to 300 and bake for another 20 minutes. After total of 50 minutes, turn off the oven and let the pot rest inside for 5 minutes. Then get it out. Check doneness. Rice should be dry and fluffy. Chicken cooked through. Open the lid. Fluff gently with a fork. Aroma of saffron, smoke and spice. Serve hot with raita or a crisp salad. Earthy village flavor, weeknight easy. If you felt that magic, hit like, subscribe, and that's it. Until next time, stir with soul.